You've probably heard about the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, America's 5th-generation fighters. They're incredible machines, no doubt. But what if I told you there's something new on the horizon? Something faster, smarter, and deadlier than anything we've ever seen in the skies. We're talking about the 6th-generation fighter, a project so secret that its very existence feels like something out of a science fiction movie. For years, details have been locked away, but bits and pieces are starting to leak out, painting a picture of an aircraft that will redefine air combat. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution. The program is officially called the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD. And it's not just one jet, it's a whole family of systems working together. Think of it like a quarterback, with a team of robotic wingmen, all connected, all sharing information, and all incredibly lethal. So what makes this new jet so special? Let's start with speed and range. While the F-22 is fast, the 6th-gen fighter is expected to fly even faster, likely well over Mach 2, and travel much farther without refueling. This means it can get to a hot spot anywhere in the world, strike with precision, and get out before the enemy even knows what hit them. This extended range is crucial, especially in vast areas like the Pacific Ocean. But it's not just about being fast, it's about being invisible. The F-22 is known for its stealth, but the NGAD takes it to a whole new level. It will likely use advanced materials and a radical new design to have an even smaller radar signature. We're talking about an aircraft that could be virtually undetectable to current and even future air defense systems. It's like a ghost in the sky. Now, let's talk brains. The real game changer is the artificial intelligence baked into this thing. The pilot won't be flying alone. The AI will act as a co-pilot, managing complex systems, processing massive amounts of data from sensors, and even controlling a swarm of unmanned drones, often called collaborative combat aircraft or CCA letters. Imagine a pilot commanding a loyal pack of robotic wingmen to scout ahead, jam enemy electronics, or even engage targets, all while the main aircraft stays safely out of harm's way. This network-centric approach means one 6th-gen fighter can control a huge section of the battlefield. And the weapons, they're getting a major upgrade too. We're looking at hypersonic missiles that travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound, making them nearly impossible to intercept. There's also talk of directed energy weapons, yes, lasers. These could be used to shoot down incoming missiles or even disable enemy aircraft and drones instantly. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the future of aerial warfare being built right now. Both the Air Force and the Navy are developing their own versions. The Air Force's NGAD is expected to be a large, long-range fighter designed to penetrate deep into enemy airspace, while the Navy's version, called F-XX, will be tailored for carrier operations. Giants like Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman are all in the race to build this incredible machine. So, when can we expect to see it? A full-scale prototype has already flown, years ahead of schedule. While the exact timeline is classified, experts believe the 6th-gen fighter could enter service as early as 2030. The cost is astronomical, with each plane potentially costing hundreds of millions of dollars. But the strategic advantage it provides is considered priceless. This new generation of air power is America's answer to a rapidly changing world. It's a technological marvel designed to ensure air superiority for decades to come. The era of the 5th-generation fighter is amazing, but the 6th generation is about to change the game entirely. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay updated on the latest in military tech, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.